It is 6:25 in the morning. We're gonna get started. It's raining a little bit. So first thing I like to do is turn the app on and see if anything pops up. I mean, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Ain't nothing popping up right now. If nothing pops up, we kind of give Uber a little bit of a direction and we say, yo, take me to the closest cloud, the closest $3 signs, the closest $5 ride. Now, I will keep you posted as we go. Now, I'm moving, and the next advice that I give you is just like the light that I turned off. You go here and turn this bad boy off. Out here, there is no point, and turn this guy off too. There is no point in turning the app on and wasting your drive time. It's raining. Save it, my friends. Okay, party people, first stop is gasoline. We're right here at Arco. I'm gonna turn it back on and just check. You never know. Uncle Uber might give us something. I always like to check. I'll give it 5 minutes. I'm gonna get gas, I'm gonna get coffee, and if something pops up, my YouTube community is the first one that's gonna know. And before I leave for a little bit, let me show you how we did yesterday, because I like to keep you guys posted. Well, for the week, we are at $467 in 2 days. I would like to be at 500, so it was a little bit slow. It's all good. I've been active 10 and a half hours. You can see that right here. And 16 trips. I like the active 10 to match the 10 trips. That's just my way of driving. It lets me know I'm doing well, but it's all good. And the gap between 10 to 25 hours is 15 hours. That means I spent an extra 15 hours working on my YouTube channel. Okay, but let's check out Tuesday. I'm gonna try to do these for you every day. Look at that, guys. 4.5 hours active yesterday to make $173. I was online for 14. That means 10 hours was spent on my YouTube channel, right? Trips, 8, okay? Now, you know I was cranking on YouTube because if you look in the background, and I'll show you, that's some Pakistani music I was listening to. That's not what I want to show you. Check it out. If you look right here, this is a playlist I was working on. Let me hide my face. Let me hide this. Look, this is what I created yesterday for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 videos. One of them did all right. It got 153 views, right? But if you check this out on my backup YouTube channel, which is actually becoming my main channel, I have 261 followers. And most of that is within a month, right? If you look over here again, this is where I keep in touch with all the YouTube, Uber. If we go, where is it? Playlist. If you look right here, and you look at my playlist, here you go. The same videos are on this channel. 1, 2, 3, but look, they're doing much better. You look at this one, 343 views, right? So whatever I talked about in part 5, you guys liked. And then there's another one down here, look. Whatever I wrote in the first one, you guys liked, 434. Meaning, my second YouTube channel, same content, right? Let's go back here. It's the same exact content, but now you know, 4.5 hours active, 14 hours online, but 10 hours went for me working on my YouTube channel, just like this video. Now let me go get some coffee. Okay, just got gas. You can see right here, we're gonna stick to my drill. $10 at a time, around 2.1 gallons. I've gotten into a point where I can put in 2.4 gallons at a time. Right now, the price is $4.45, and it changes throughout California. Mileage on my car is up here, 238,375, and yesterday I drove 223 miles to make $173. This is when I left the house and I came back. 40 miles of that is basically, you know, going to the first passenger. I don't really count that, but if you minus 40, around 173 made. Roughly we were 1-to-1 ratio, and that's something I'll start sharing with you guys, because when the ratio is off, that means it's normally slow. Let's see if Uber offered me anything in the background. We're gonna go zoom out. Nothing. So my next stop is literally gonna be right here in Canyon Country. There's a Costco right here. I'm gonna probably put in gas for another 2 gallons. Wait there for 5 minutes. Make another video. Work on my YouTube channel a little bit. Hopefully by then I get a ride. If not, then the next stop is gonna be right here, Burbank Airport. We're gonna start from here. And as you can see right now, Burbank is showing 11 out of 15 for Uber X, 6 out of 10 for Comfort, and Uber XL is completely open. So this is good news. All right, new update coming in a bit. Okay, the sun might come up. It's still foggy and rainy. I'm gonna turn on the app in the background and see if anything pops up. We'll give it 5 minutes. We'll give it 5 minutes. It's 7:01. We'll give it 5 minutes to give us something. Yesterday, if you watched my video, you will notice, maybe I didn't post it, maybe I'll post it today. Right when I left Canyon Country, it pulled me back to take an Uber X share for $32. And I dropped off the lady in Bel Air. Bel Air, if you watch The Fresh Prince, you know is a wealthy area. So I don't think she ordered an Uber X share. Maybe she did, but $32 and Uber pulled me back. Meaning I was the only driver. I left, I was going to Burbank. It knew there's nobody else, and it might as well give me 32 and take this passenger, because that passenger might not get a ride for 30 minutes. I might get somebody else, and that's how it works. Just letting you guys know. If there's nobody there, Uber will pull you back. This is why I love leaving. Go, sit, wait, put gas in, work 5 minutes on your YouTube channel, and then bounce. Look at that. Yesterday, I took a Uber X share for $32. Today, lowball offer. $3, no problem. You guys know the drill, I know the drill. I actually just got gas from Costco, and I'm gonna go ahead and update my notes because I added another 2 gallons. Second offer, going the wrong way. We're not gonna go that way. But I told you, this is a hot spot. I'm gonna sit here, work on my YouTube channel a little bit, and upload this video, and then pick up a passenger. It's 7:15. I'll give Uber another 5 minutes. If nothing, then I'm gonna leave, and it might pull me back. But remember, it's gonna lowball you. First $3, now 12. The next one might be 20, and if it's around 20 or over 15, I'll take it. If not, let's look at Burbank Airport. Look, it's still looking good. If you saw earlier when I left the house, Uber XL is open. Comfort is 16 out of 20. Uber X is 21 out of 25. That's the place to be. Third lowball offer. Multiple stops. 30 minutes. But it's going up. Instead of share, now it's giving Uber X. Did you notice that? So now I'm not going to show you any more lowball offers. But in fact, let me show you the ride from yesterday. This is my ride from yesterday where I got paid $32. Watch this. $20. Well, oh shit, I was gonna take that one. I was working in the background. I couldn't tell if it was my video or it was Uber app, but oh well. It'll probably come back because I don't think there's any drivers here. There you go, it's gonna come back. Yep, we'll take it. 47 Sherman X, $20 is traffic. Or should I go to Sherman Oaks? Man, there must be an accident. Or should I go to the airport? You know, I'm gonna take the $20 because I can get to the airport and still make 20 bucks, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. This is it, guys. If you're watching my channel, you should know by now. 3 or 4 lowball offers, I said no, and eventually it finally gave me one where I'm gonna go pick up a person. And this is my first passenger. I'm gonna get going, but before I leave, let me show you in the background. Check this out. 479, nasty. Edgardo. Okay, check this out. This is the ride from yesterday, okay? So yesterday, let me hide my face. Look, I'm driving. Check it out. I'm driving. This is the video from yesterday. There it is. I got $32 Uber X share, and then I took it, but there was another $12 ride in the background. All right, anyways, my friends, I gotta get going. This is now, we're at the live screen, the person that I'm gonna go pick up today, Edgardo. I'm gonna go, deuces. Now you know Wednesday's gonna be slow. We got 20 bucks, we didn't get a ride to the airport. But it's all good, you know, we'll take it one passenger at a time.